So would HR like to call the meeting to order? You have 15 minutes for the role play. All yours.
Today we are here to discuss on the HR recruiting for the following departments and for the retail banking, for the corporate banking, city banking and for the corporate sector. Hello? So we have called you over here to discuss on how much is the recruitment you need for this current year, and we have openings of around 20. That this year we can be recruited, and we will be going to IS College NCRC for the following recruitment of the year. So I would like to know from each of the department what are your requirements for the current year. Can we start with retail banking, please?
So for our retail banking, minimum we'll be needing is 7 recruits, and the maximum we can take it as 10 in best case scenario if we get. And we have a plan that is all 7 recruits we can take from all freshers, because in retail banking we'll be splitting it up into branch banking, retail assets and retail liabilities. That is in retail branch banking. If a retail means of employee which we take, it has to be of non-experience, because we can, in training and induction process which you will be doing in a 1 week's time, we can make him learn all our banking processes. So there is no need of taking an experience, so we can save the cost as well.
How much you said for the minimum requirement?
7.
I'm so sorry, I can't allocate 7 recruitments over here, because we have been told that maximum recruitments we have to take for the whole year is 10 from all the departments. So only to the retail, which is already the maximum right now, we have the maximum manpower already in retail, that is 21,000. So I cannot give you minimum 7, you have to cut down it for 3. I will give you time to discuss on that. We can just go on to the other department. Can we have corporate banking?
So we need three management trainees for our division, and even though the requirement is just for 3, since we are dealing with the government banking and we are dealing with large and medium enterprises, we need the personnel with the best soft skills as well as domain knowledge, because we know that the client who shall be attending us definitely need quick delivery of the services as well as attention and delivery within the stipulated time. So we need executives with the right soft skills and domain knowledge.
I have done that.
Okay, so as of now, you said that you want 3 recruits. As of now, can we put it for 2? I mean, I'm not including it, but...
We actually would like to have 5 for the best case scenario, because as you see that we are targeting in the government business itself, in the government banking division, we are targeting a growth of 30% a year, which is a good amount of growth when we see for our bank. So if we can get 5 people, and we can definitely mold them to get the best results out of them. So 5 will be the figure which we would like to target at.
I'm so sorry, I can't...
want more employees, we would prefer only 3 experienced employees. That would increase at least 20% the cost of employee. But it would be better than having like incremental value in the number of employees. So it's better if you have only 3 experienced employees.
And the current headcount for the corporate standard is just 1,000. So I think the HR would be kind enough to allocate with 3 experienced members.
Okay, as of now, in my knowledge, I think that apart from the recovery department, there is no manpower needed in the rest of the department. So as of now, I would allocate you 3 recruits for your department, okay? And the final conclusion I will give you after in the end of this meeting, okay? Can we get back to retail banking? Can you please tell me your last decision? How much you would be needed?
Okay, now talking about retail, we are looking for more manpower because in a 3-year strategy, we are looking for 10% faster growth in the bank overall. And we have sectors split in banking, retail assets and retail liabilities. So looking overall about it, so we want more manpower, so at least for 5, if you can address.
And retail banking, that is branch. Without branch, they are the pillars of banks, right? So if you don't allow us to get more employees for branches, then how do you expect us to grow in future?
But there's already a surplus of manpower in most of the branches.
Then also we need more because we could more.
Okay, retail is all about manpower because you can't conduct your banks without manpower. So you need some efficient manpower.
See, we already have manpower pretty enough in the retail banking, but the problem which I'm facing in the retail banking is that the departments are not, the branches are not coming up immediately. So now we have already hired people for the retail banking, but because the branches are not coming up immediately, so there is no immediate headcount required for your department, as per my knowledge. So can you cut down to 5? I mean, because I have to allocate in the other departments as well. So 5 would be too much.
If you tell us 5 to do, then 5, how do we split it into? See, branch banking, we need most of employees, out of 21,000, most of them are working into bank branches. And retail assets and retail liabilities could be less. So if you tell us 5, then 3 of them in bank branches agreed. But then 1 and 1 in asset, it won't be good. 7 has to be there, anyhow. Minimum 7 has to be there.
See, even we have to divide. We have given a certain number from in our department. Even we have a certain number of recruitments which I cannot exceed. That is not in my hands. So, keeping the requirements of all the departments, I cannot give you more than 2. More than 2 recruits. Max I have to, not for your department, for the whole I have to give 10. Keeping in all requirements of all the departments, I have to give max is 10.
Okay, can you extend to 3? Because
1, 1, 1 each
yeah,
and every one.
branch banking 1, retail assets 1 and retail liabilities 1.
HR is winning. Huh? I swear.
Okay, as of now I am putting it 3 and I'll give you the final conclusion. The corporate banking, can I have please your final number?
But first of all, I would like to stress on the point that the corporate banking sector, the ones that we are holding right now, and the large corporates that are there in our clientele base, are the ones who are fetching the highest amount of interest that our bank is earning. And to have a proper relationship with them, to maintain that relationship, we are in dire need of manpower so that all the things can be conducted successfully. And also now that government, even the government sector, they are asking for money from us and the tenders that we are passing through them. For that also to follow up and everything for all the procedures, manpower is very much in need for our sector. So even if not 5, if you can just give us 4 people.
See, I understand your problem, but the advantage of one thing you people have is that you can take employees from already the existing departments. So there is no need of a new recruitment for this department. I totally agree that there is a need of growth in corporate banking and also in government banking. But what I would suggest you is that take employees from the existing department. So so I have a number which I can give allocate to the rest of the department as well. So for my this thing, I can give you max is 2. Is that fine with you?
No, I'm sorry. The problem is that our client base is not really high esteem here. Large corporate governments as well as medium corporate. And
see, what
in a
I'm
dynamic
telling
time,
you is that you can take employees from already the existing department. You don't need freshers in this. You don't need a new recruitment. So I can give you 2 max to max, and not more than that.
No, I'm sorry. Actually, we are dealing with the highest clients out here, and they need personalized services as well as people together.
Okay, as of now, let's keep it at 2, and I can give you the counter rate.
Broadly, we have another 5 minutes in which to freeze it.
SME banking. So what are you all have decided?
we want to ask you, can you confirm us how much you can give us?
We on our side we
How much
cannot
employees you can
we cannot provide you more than one. As per it is stated you are overstaffed already and your performance is going down. So it is better if you train your if you put your existing employees into good use. So what you all have decided?
Actually, what our thought is, since this SME banking has been under stress and the customer base is, we are losing the customer base. So what we are planning to introduce new schemes, and to introduce new schemes, we are also planning to introduce a new banking products in SME banking. To need this product, we need a specialized employee, qualified employee, and for testing, to create the testing environments. So we need at least 3 to 4 employees, if you can provide.
See, the problem with SME banking is that this department is already overstaffed, and we have a count of only 10 recruitments as of now, and we would not like to give more than one fresher or one recruitment in your department. I would rather suggest you that utilize what your current employees are working and train them in a better way and allocate their work rather than hiring more and more people and not working efficiently. Because what I can see is here that this department is already overstaffed and the rest of the department, they are very much in need of new recruitments, they want fresh people. So I would suggest that please change the working pattern or maybe train the employees rather than hiring more and new people.
See, actually, I feel that you perceive it in a manner where you feel that they are not trained. But the truth be told simply is that they are trained. But the fact remains that you feel it's understaffed because the potential of the business is not reached. Once the potential of the business is reached, you may feel that it is actually understaffed. There are a lot of customer base that we are yet to tap into. So there are a lot of market areas that we are yet to go towards and bring it to our company. So once we do that, you may understand the potential of this business. There are so many small to medium enterprises still now starting up. So those businesses may also become our businesses in the future. So once we tap into the startup market, then we tap into there's a Make in India campaign going on. So once we tap into those markets, we can realize the potential of this business. It may grow even better than the current other businesses that are functioning. So when you look at it from that perspective, you may realize that you may feel that it's understaffed right now, but in the future if the business starts pouring in, we won't be able to handle that sort of business without the kind of staff that we require. So actually it may look understaffed from that point of view. So for that we would need people who we can train right now who are ready for that kind of business, so that we are equipped to handle such scenarios in the future.
Even I have to take the problems of all the departments. I cannot allocate more to your department and less to the other. So the max which I can give you is 3. But right now I think the other departments, they also they want more. So what I'll give you the final is 2. Okay.
We want 3. Can you please?
No, because I have to give the rest of the department.
The thing is,
See, first of all, your department is already overstocked. So how can I give you the maximum? How can I give you 3?
We are trying to show you the scenario of future.
I totally understand your problem, but even you understand my problem. Being an HR, even I have to see the problems of other department. I cannot just focus on one department, right? So what I can give you last is...
You can treat her.
Okay. Coming to the last, the corporate center.
As far as the 3 recruits are concerned, if they are experienced enough, I think my department is quite given the 3 recruits.
Okay, so we are coming to the conclusion that for the retail banking, we are giving 3 new recruits. For the corporate banking 2, for SME banking 2, and for corporate sector 3. That totals up to 10.
And now that we're getting 2 new recruits and some of the other departments are overstaffed, we would like that some of the personnel be transferred in our department and we will train them so that at least the 30% growth which we are targeting can be achieved by ourselves.
See, you can do that. You can take people from the existing department, you're allowed to do that.
Thank you. Thank you.